In today's organising chat, I would like to focus on decluttering and tidying up and organising, which more of us seem to be doing. We are embracing minimalism, we are familiar with the Marie Kondo method, and it seems to be a worldwide phenomenon to actually start to declutter and get rid of our stuff. I want to call out to all of us engaging in this process that we need to be more mindful of how we dispose items. That if we can sell or try this, selling it, then we should. I used to not recommend this, but with many more of us embracing decluttering as an activity, we need to adjust how we distribute our items to prevent overload at the secondhand shops, the rubbish dump, and potentially miss out on some extra pocket money for ourselves. I also strongly encourage you to become a mindful consumer as we declutter more as a society. And at a more enthusiastic pace, we need to not only dispose of the items, but also buy less stuff. One of the key things that you learn in minimalism is buy less, but buy quality. This is good for your house, wallet, and the environment. So, as a little shout out, it is a very exciting time to be in this industry at the moment, to see how the world is embracing decluttering, organising, and even minimalism to a certain extent. So go forward and declutter and organise in whatever method suits you. But do this mindfully, shop mindfully to impact the world, your world, more positively. I hope this has been useful. You can take this on board in your organising journey. I'm looking forward to sharing some more videos with you shortly, so stay tuned and I'll provide you with some other inspirational video shortly. Bye!